How do I calculate diminished value after an accident? Have you ever wondered how much your car's worth drops after an accident, even if it looks perfect again? That's what diminished value is all about. When your car gets damaged and repaired, it might look new, but its market value often takes a hit. Knowing how to figure out that loss can help you when making a claim with your insurance company. Most insurance companies use a simple method called the 17 degrees Celsius formula to estimate diminished value. First, you need to find out what your car was worth before the accident. You can check sources like Kelley Blue Book or the National Automobile Dealers Association guides. These give you a fair market value based on your car's make, model, year, and condition before the damage. Next, take 10% of that pre-accident value. This is the maximum amount most insurers say your car could have lost in value. For example, if your car was worth $25,000 before the accident, the base loss is $2,500. Then you apply a damage severity multiplier. This adjusts the loss based on how bad the damage was. If there was no structural damage, the multiplier is 0. For minor damage, it's about 0.25. Moderate damage uses about 0.50. Major damage is around 0.75, and severe structural damage is 1.0. After that, you consider the mileage of your car. Cars with higher miles tend to lose less value from damage because they are already depreciated. This is called the mileage multiplier, which reduces the diminished value estimate. Now put it all together with the formula. Diminished value equals the pre-accident value times 10% times the damage multiplier times the mileage multiplier. For example, if your $25,000 car had moderate damage with a damage multiplier of 0.50 and high mileage with a mileage multiplier of 0.80, the calculation would be $25,000 times 0.10 equals $2,500. Then, $2,500 times 0.50 equals $1,250. Finally, $1,250 times 0.80 equals $1,000. So, your estimated diminished value is about $1,000. Keep in mind, this is a guideline used by many insurance companies. It might not reflect the exact loss, especially if your car is older or has prior damage. When you file a diminished value claim, providing proof of your car's value before the accident, repair details, and mileage can help. Sometimes, getting an independent appraisal can give you a stronger case if the insurance offer seems too low. In short, calculating diminished value involves estimating how much your car's market worth has gone down after repairs. You start with the pre-accident value, then apply percentages based on damage severity and mileage. Knowing this process helps you manage your policy and claims better after an accident.